Good morning, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. It is Anthony with Good House Floor Care. We're here to do a full sanding on these solid hardwood floors today. This customer found us on Google, gave us a call about 3 weeks ago. And we're up here in Hickory, North Carolina. There goes the Good House Mobile. Let me take you inside. I'll show you what we're up against. We should be here about 4 or 5 days. It's a new home to these, our new clients. They're moving in from Cincinnati. This is what we're up against. We got some water damage here. We will most likely be changing these boards. We're gonna try to sand it first and see what it looks like, but we'll see how that goes. Down this hallway, into this primary bedroom. We also have some, looks like urine stains that we're gonna be changing these boards also, if it doesn't sand down. And we got 2 bedrooms in the back here. Raised edging. And we got a family room, formal dining room on this side of the house. So stay tuned. We'll come back and show you the results and some progress like we do on each episode. Sorry for the lighting, there is no lights in here. So we have to use our stand-up lights, which are great. Alrighty, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we are water popping. It's gonna be beautiful, stay tuned. All right, we are applying stain today. What we have to do this morning is we have to abrade the floor to accept our last coat. But look at the transformation. This is 1 coat of seal and 1 coat of finish. Look how good this looks. It looks fantastic. What a transformation. Our client's gonna be so happy. Alrighty guys, last coat is laid. It's wet. It will not stay shiny like this. This is just wet. We just got finished. But look how good this is gonna look. You can see it's drying down here. Never watch water-based dry. It dries in spots and you think you missed something and you didn't. I'll come back and I'll show you once it dries. We are all done. The last coat is basically dry. Came out fantastic. The matte finish looks fantastic. Alrighty, once again, as always, thanks for watching.